proper fire stopping and the enforcement of it has taken on a whole new immediacy as far as building inspections and code enforcement is concerned. Most general contractors traditionally have allowed the MEP trades to self-perform their fire stopping, and the idea of fire stopping historically has been caulk and walk, and they would refer to us as fire-caulkers, but really the immediacy of it has become so much more than that, and that's where we've been able to separate ourselves from the competition and really take advantage of the industry. The problem with most MEP trades, as any big general contractor is going to tell you, especially in the multifamily world, is there's a lot of different issues, product being one of them. If you have each trade doing their own, and you have a city inspector come in and want ULs to back up the way they are addressing these fire stop assemblies. Typically, if there's 1, 2, or even 3 different products used in the same job site, it gets really confusing and convoluting for the city inspector, and reflects negatively on the job and reflects negatively on the general contractor. The other one is inspections. It's our experience, and this might catch a lot of hate from mechanical, electric, and plumbing trades, but it's our experience that not only are the MEP trade installers disinterested in actually performing that work, but to take it a step further, they're disinterested, and I've never seen it, walking with the inspector to fix repairs on the spot. And that's, again, is one of the areas that we are able to separate ourselves from the pack, because based on our experience, if you have somebody specifically walking with the inspector that not only knows the work that they performed but can correct any minor issues on the spot during the inspection, not only does it expedite and keep the schedule on track, but it builds confidence that one person is specifically looking for these things and is willing to take care of the issues on hand.